Sunshine or rain. I hear the familiar words ringing in my ear again. Not today, not today. Why do we always keep the best until tomorrow? Tomorrow may never come. Why don't we live today to the full and leave tomorrow to fend for itself? Why do we have to wait for tomorrow when today is already here to enjoy? Why? Today looks good enough to me. Waiting another day won't make a difference to me, I say. No matter what the day holds today, be it sunshine or rain, I will rejoice and be glad anyway, because this is the day that the Lord has made. Amen. Inspirational thoughts.